अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अब हम देखेंगे अबाउट द कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिसऑर्डर, दैट इज डिसऑर्डर्स ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. There are so many disorders related to circulatory system, but we are discussing the disorders who are listed in our syllabus. So the first disorders discussed in our syllabus is hypertension. So what is hypertension, or simply you may say high blood pressure? So occurrence of persistent high blood pressure. Occurrence of persistent high blood pressure is called as a hypertension. Hypertension is also called as a silent killer. What is called as a silent killer? Because it may present for years without any significant symptoms. High blood pressure is also called as a silent killer because it may present in a person's body without any significant symptom, without showing any symptoms. That's why it is called as a silent killer. So hypertension, where high blood pressure is found in that particular person. So how much pressure is present in hypertension, where the normal value of blood pressure in average adult person is 120/80, और यू में से एक एवरेज जो ब्लड प्रेशर की वैल्यू दी गई है 110 to 140 is the normal limit of blood pressure. If the value raises above 140, if the value raises above 140, that condition is called as a hypertension. So hypertension is defined as occurrence of persistent high BP. BP is more than 140 mmHg. The blood pressure, it should more than 140 mmHg is called as a hypertension. This hypertension, why it occurs or why the person may shows symptoms of hypertension, what are the causes? So the causes of hypertension is, the first and the most important is arteriosclerosis. What is arteriosclerosis? BP increases by increasing age. जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती जाती है ब्लड प्रेशर इंक्रीज होता जाता है, बिकॉज द इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ द आर्टरीज डिक्रीजेस. Because the wall of artery who having a elasticity, it decreases, and due to decreasing nature of the elasticity, the artery becomes rigid. Arteries rigid और hard होते हैं और they cannot maintain the pressure, and that condition of hardening of arteries is called as a arteriosclerosis. Hypertension is mostly found in the old age person, most commonly found in the old age person, where the wall of arteries, it loses its elasticity, and due to its rigidity, that condition is called as a arteriosclerosis, where the arteries, the wall of arteries, they do not maintain the pressure, और उस condition को हम बोलेंगे arteriosclerosis. The another cause is smoking, alcohol consumptions, fatty food material or fat rich substances, fatty diet, obesity, emotional stress, excessive secretion of some hormones like epinephrine, aldosterone, renin, etc. What are the causes of हाइपरटेंशन? हाइपरटेंशन के जो कॉजेस है, क्या रीजन होता है कि ब्लड का जो प्रेशर है वो कंसिस्टेंटली हाई होता है. तो पहला रीजन बताया गया है कि जो आर्टरीज के वॉल होते हैं वो रिजिड हो जाते हैं, दे लूजेस देयर इलास्टिसिटी, दैट्स व्हाई दे कैन नॉट मेंटेन द pressure, and that condition is called as a arteriosclerosis. The another cause are smoking, alcohol consumption, fatty rich diet, obesity, emotional stress, excessive secretion of hormones like epinephrine, aldosterone, renin, etc. So these are the causes of hypertension, high blood pressure. So what are the symptoms? One person, how they can identify that they are suffering from hypertension, they are having a high blood pressure. So these are some symptoms which is discussed in our syllabus. In the mild condition, the mild symptoms होते हैं breathlessness and giddiness, breathlessness and giddiness, or डजीनेस जो जिसे हम कहते हैं वो कंडीशन यहाँ पर दिखती है, बेचैनी होती है, सांस लेने में तकलीफ होती है, चक्कर आना जिसे हम कहते हैं, दैट कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड एज अ गिडीनेस. सो इन द माइल्ड कंडीशन द माइल्ड सिम्टम्स आर breathlessness and giddiness, whereas in the severe condition bursting of blood vessels of vital organs. There is a rupturing of blood pressure due to high pressure, blood pressure more than 140. ब्लड का प्रेशर जो होता है 140 से ज्यादा होगा, लेकिन सीवियर कंडीशन में और हायर कंडीशन में जहां पर ब्लड का प्रेशर ये बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है अप टू 200 से लेकर अगर 220 तक ये ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है mmHg. So that time there is a chance of bursting of blood vessels. So in a severe case there is a bursting of blood vessels of vital organs like eyes, who causes blindness. Retinal damage is also called as, then kidney failure which is called as a nephritis, and brain failure causes stroke or paralysis. यानी जो मेजर ऑर्गन्स होते हैं वहाँ के जो ब्लड वेसल्स हाई प्रेशर की वजह से रप्चर हो जाते हैं, बस्ट हो जाते हैं, एंड दैट रप्चरिंग ऑफ ब्लड वेसल में लीड टू ब्लाइंडनेस, नेफ्राइटिस, रीनल फेलियर और stroke or paralysis. So these are the symptoms of hypertension. Now the next disorder of cardiovascular system is CAD, coronary artery disease. CAD stand for coronary artery disease. So, coronary artery, it is the artery who supplies blood to cardiac muscle. These are the blood vessels who supply oxygenated blood to the wall of heart. So here CAD is a short term of coronary artery disease. So what is CAD? It is a condition in which the flow of blood to heart is reduced due to blockage in coronary artery. What is coronary artery? Why the condition is occur? It is a condition in which the flow of blood to heart is reduced due to blockage in coronary artery. The coronary artery who supply blood to wall of heart, to the muscle of heart wall, so there is a blockages. ये जो करोनरी आर्टरी है, इस आर्टरी के अंदर कहीं कोई ब्लॉकेज आ जाता है और ये ब्लॉकेज की वजह से ब्लड सप्लाई जो होता है हार्ट के वॉल को वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है, एंड दैट कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड एज अ करोनरी आर्टरी डिसीज. व्हाट आर द कॉजेस? यहाँ पर ये जो ब्लॉकेज आता है या फिर कंजम्पशन जो होता है, सप्लाई जो होता है ब्लड का मसल, हार्ट मसल को, वो कम क्यों होता है? क्या वजह है कि जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन होता है ब्लड का, व्हाई इट गेट रिड्यूस? सो व्हाट आर द कॉजेस? द कॉज इज एथेरियोस्क्लेरोसिस. यहाँ पर हमने देखा था आर्टेरियोस्क्लेरोसिस, दैट इज रिजिडनेस ऑफ आर्टेरीज. हियर atherosclerosis, there is a little difference in the spelling but a difference in the condition. Atherosclerosis, that is deposition of fat or fatty substances and the salt in the lining of arteries. In the lining of arteries, the cholesterol, fatty substances or the salt, they may get deposited at the lining of arteries. If it is a blood vessel, if it is a artery, so here the cholesterol, fatty substances or the salts may they get deposited, and due to deposition the diameter of this artery it get narrowed. The diameter, जो artery का diameter है वो थोड़ा सा narrow हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से जो blood supply होता है वो reduce हो जाता है. So the main cause of CAD is atherosclerosis. What is atherosclerosis? It is a deposition of fatty substances in the lining of arteries who decreases the diameter of lumen of arteries. यानी क्या करते हैं ये आर्टरीज के अंदर जो ब्लड होता है, ब्लड फ्लो करता है, who contain cholesterol, who contain fatty substances and they contain salts. All these content they get deposited at the lining of arteries. और because ये lining पर deposit होते जाते हैं तो वो आर्टरी के लूमेन को नैरो करता जाते हैं, और because of narrowing the lumen of artery there is reduction in the blood supply to the heart wall, to the cardiac muscles, and this is the main cause of CAD. Now what are the symptoms? What are the symptoms of coronary artery disease on the basis of degree of damage? मसल्स को डैमेज कितना पहुंचा है उसके बेसिस पर यहाँ पर सिम्टम्स दिखते हैं, यानी कि मसल्स को ब्लड के लेस कंजम्पशन की वजह से, लेस ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की वजह से, ऑक्सीजन के कम सप्लाई की वजह से यहाँ पर कितना डैमेज हुआ है उसके बेसिस पर सिम्टम्स दिखाई देते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट सिम्टम्स इज angina pectoris. द फर्स्ट सिम्टम ऑफ CAD is angina pectoris, and the another one is myocardial infarction which is commonly called as a heart failure. इन दोनों को हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. So the symptom of CAD is angina pectoris and the another one is myocardial infarction which is commonly or simply called as a heart failure. So the next disorder in our syllabus related to cardiovascular system is angina pectoris. What is angina pectoris? Angina pectoris is a severe chest pain. It is a condition where the person feels a severe pain, especially in the chest region. So it is a severe chest pain due to inadequate supply of oxygen. Inadequate supply of oxygen to cardiac muscle. What is angina pectoris? Angina pectoris is a condition where the person feels severe pain in the chest region. Why the chest region has a pain? Because the cardiac muscles or the muscles of the heart, they receive inadequate supply of oxygen. There is a deficiency of oxygen. Due to less supply of oxygen, the muscles get fatigue, और ये जो muscles होते हैं उनके अंदर pain होता है, and that pain is called as a angina pectoris. The pain in chest is called as a angina pectoris, and the pain is due to deficiency of oxygen, due to inadequate supply of ऑक्सीजन. अब ये जो ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई हार्ट के मसल्स को कम होता है, व्हाई? क्यों ऑक्सीजन हार्ट के मसल्स को, कार्डियक मसल्स को कम पहुंचता है? सो दीज आर द कॉजेस. द फर्स्ट कॉज इज atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis. What is atherosclerosis? Deposition of fatty substances, deposition of salts or fatty substances at the lining of artery, especially to the coronary artery, who supply blood to the muscles of heart, who supply blood to wall of heart. Now the another condition, the another cause is arteriosclerosis, either due to narrowing of lumen of arteries, coronary artery, or either due to rigidness of artery. या तो arteries rigid हो चुके हैं due to aging, due to losing their elasticity, or either due to narrowing of lumen of coronary artery, and it is due to deposition of fatty substances, salts and the cholesterol, and these are the main cause of angina pectoris. Now what are the symptoms? The symptoms of angina pectoris is severe pain in the chest region, severe pain in the chest region, and that pain spread up to neck, lower jaws, back pain, and in the lower back region. ये जो angina pectoris है इसके अंदर severe chest pain होता है, and ये जो severe चेस्ट पेन होता है, ये स्प्रेड होता है नेक रीजन में, लोअर जॉज में, बैक रीजन में, शोल्डर रीजन में, लेफ्ट आर्म में. सो ये मिनिमाइज भी हो सकता है व्हाइल समवन इज टेकिंग कंप्लीट बेड रेस्ट. अगर कंप्लीट बेड रेस्ट अगर आप करते हो, ऑक्सीजन का जो डिमांड है वो कम हो जाएगा और ऑटोमेटिकली जो हमारे ऑक्सीजन की जो डिमांड होती है वो कम होने की वजह से मसल्स जो है वो थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करते हैं और पेन भी कम होने लगता है. अंजाना पेक्टोरिस ये यूजुअली ऐसे लोगों को भी होता है जिसके जो फिजिकली बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव होते हैं या फिर फिजिकली जिनके अंदर एक्सरसाइज या फिर फिजिकली वर्क जो होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं, एक्सर्शन की वजह से भी अंजाना पेक्टोरिस होता है, वेयर द बॉडी डिमांड मोर ऑक्सीजन बट ड्यू टू आइदर अथेरियोस्क्लेरोसिस और आइदर arteriosclerosis the heart wall they receive inadequate amount of oxygen and due to deficiency of oxygen the person can feel angina pectoris. Now the last disorder from our syllabus is heart failure. What is heart failure? Failure of heart to pump the blood effectively. Myocardial infarction. What is it? Failure of heart to pump the blood effectively is called as a heart failure. What are the causes of heart failure? Causes of heart failure is coronary artery disease, hypertension, high cholesterol intake, diabetes, obesity, etc. There are so many factors related to heart failure. क्यों होता है हार्ट फेलियर? उसके मेन जो रीजंस है, जो मेन उसके कॉजेस है, coronary artery disease, hypertension, high cholesterol intake, diabetes or maybe due to obesity. These are the causes. अब symptoms क्या होते हैं? What are the symptoms of heart failure? यानी किसी को कैसा पता चले कि हार्ट फेल हो रहा है और हमारा जो हार्ट है वो ब्लड को प्रॉपरली पंप नहीं कर रहा है. तो these are the symptoms. That first symptom is oedema in feet, ankle and legs. हमारे फीट्स जो होते हैं, जो लेग्स होते हैं, एंकल्स जो होते हैं, उसके अंदर स्वेलिंग होती है और इसको हम कहते हैं ओएडेमा. ओएडेमा इन फीट, एंकल एंड लेग. दिस इज वन ऑफ द सिम्टम ऑफ हार्ट फेलियर. द अनदर सिम्टम इज accumulation of blood and fluid. Accumulation of blood and fluid in lungs. Then tiredness and shortness of breath. Tiredness and shortness of breath. These are the symptoms of heart failure.